Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands. Hey, we're working back on our project. In the last video you saw how we pulled out all that wood. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put in some screen. We've got several rolls of screen and we've got a staple gun. So to start with, we're going to set up our ladder here. We'll move the camera so you can see. We got our staple gun. We did buy some screen. Again, there'll be links to Amazon so you can buy stuff, staplers and what have you if you need it. There's a short piece here from another project. We're going to see if that's big enough. I'm guessing it's not, but we're going to try it. We'll use it over our door if we have to, but let's get a piece of this out, see what it's like, and see if it's big enough. And then we'll get our ladder set up. So this is our screen, and yep, that's not going to be big enough. So this is going to strictly be for over the doorway. So we're going to move down there. We'll show you how we'll do it over the doorway, and then we're going to do the rest of this. Tools we're going to use. Going to use the knife. It's retractable. Put that in our pocket. To trim it, a T50 staple gun. Anyone will work. We're going up our ladder here. We get our screen up here. Kind of put our stapler here. Getting our screen in here. And come across here where we can. And what we like to do is just pick a spot where we know we've got enough. Kind of put it in here. Put a staple in the corner. Boom. And then we'll come across the other side. If there's not enough, we'll turn the screen another way. Looks like we got enough though. Have to put this on this side. Again, you pull your screen tight. Across here, you can make sure you're reasonably snug and put your staple. We're going to come down here again, kind of pull this tight. Pull it over here tight, reasonably tight. You don't want to pull it too tight because you want to make sure that you're going to be able to make the screen itself reasonably tight. Helps to come to the middle here. Let's put a staple in the top here. Okay. Now we can come down here. Just kind of pull it. You be careful not to get a wrinkle in it. Then you can kind of work your way out. You come here and kind of hold this. You can kind of work your way along. Come over here, pull it. You can kind of see the screen and see if you're making a wrinkle. You don't need terribly too many staples because we are going to trim this with wood in the next video. And here, you think you got a little bit, you can take it and you can pull a little bit on this. Like right here, I can grab this and kind of pull it just a little bit. And when you do the edge where there's going to be another one, make sure you kind of keep your staples towards the edge because you got to cut it with a knife. And come over here, do the same thing. Kind of pull this a little snug. Once you've got that stapled, make sure you got staples in the corners. Now you can come out, get your knife out, put this in our pocket so it doesn't fall out. Take your knife, come in and going to cut our screen where we won't see the screen stick out of the wood trim. There we go. And this is going to be our scrap of screen we're going to throw out. That's all there is to putting up a screen on your porch. So there you go. That's how easy it was to put up a piece of screen. The bigger pieces will be a little bit more work. But hey, a little bit more work, but they're going to look nice when they're done. And what we'll do is we'll go up, get the ladder up, and we'll staple it across the top. We'll let it roll down and pull it nice and snug. Do the corners. We'll do the rest. And again, you can see here, on here, the old staples. How we put the staples, then we can come down the middle and slice it with a knife and throw the scraps out. So don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss another video here at My Two Good Hands. Hey, we'll save you some money on some projects. Here's one you can do yourself easy. And again, Amazon links below. Please shop Amazon. Help support this channel. We greatly appreciate it. We'll catch you in the next video. Putting up the trim. Maybe even later today. Weather's holding. It's a beautiful day here in April. So there you can see our screen is in there. And if you got just a slight amount of wrinkle, don't worry, she shrinks a little. But there you go. Very nice. Now we're going to go back down here and do the rest.